Alright, time to take a look at the UYECOVE 3-piece mini flex head ratchet wrench set. Okay, got a nice foam organizer to keep everything looking clean, so I love seeing that. So this is a flex head. It's also got a detent in it to kind of hold it in place wherever you want to put it. So it's not the same as a full-on locking flex head, but I actually prefer these because I can get it right where I want it and get that thing moving. I don't have to do that extra step of locking the thing every time. So these things are very nice for getting work done quickly. We got our forward and reverse, and a very smooth feeling ratchet. And this is a 72-point ratchet, which means we can get clicks in with a very small move. So if we're working in a tight spot, it's not going to matter. This is the quick release style, which means we're going to be able to drop sockets or put new sockets on one-handed, so that's always nice to see. So if we're working and we're developing problems, this can really help to solve those problems. Also, this is a stubby style. It's a little bit shorter, which means if we got to work in tight quarters or if we just want to be able to whip this thing around quickly, we can pretty much palm this thing. So these are fantastic. This is a very nice style of ratchet. So that was the 3/8. We also got our 1/4 and our 1/2 inch. Very smooth feeling ratchets. Very cool. Yeah, that is a fantastic little tool. It's just great because it's so small, it's so easy to manipulate. I can do work real quick with this where I wouldn't be able to with a regular size ratchet.